Hey Peak Pro Roofing, this is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing agency, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you and your team so you can learn some tips and tricks on some really useful techniques you can use to rank you a lot higher on Google and take more of that higher ranking competition's clientele, right? Before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to give you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. The only thing that we ask is that you let us know what we could have done better to have served you with more value in this video. So I'm going to go over three things for you real fast, three things that are very, very effective if implemented correctly. Those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we'll start with content since we're on your homepage right here. So what content is going to be, it's going to be the images you have on your site, like in the background right here, the images in the forefront, and then the written words of content that you have on your site. So going through your site right now, you have a decent amount. I mean, you have let's say 500 words of written content, which is definitely not bad. We recommend no less than 1,500 words of content. So for sites that we build for our clientele, we do 1,500 to 2,000 words of content per homepage. The reason why you want it to be pretty wordy is because you want to be able to pack in around 15 to 20 high-ranking keywords on your homepage, since your homepage is going to most likely be the page that ranks, right? And you don't want it to be like keyword on keyword on keyword. That would be seen as spammy when the Google crawlers come on your site and try to identify what it is that you offer. You want it to essentially be like a lot more organic, a lot more flowy. So 1,500 to 2,000 words of content per homepage, per your homepage, would definitely be what I would recommend to help your site rank a lot higher. When it comes to the images of content that you have in the background and in the forefront, you just want all those images to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area. So whatever people are looking for, if it's Cincinnati, Ohio roofers, or roofing and siding, Cincinnati roofing and gutters, Westchester, whatever it might be, make sure that all these images are saved as those keywords or key phrases. And when Google crawls on your site, they'll be able to also read the images and identify, okay, this is what the company offers, and this would be the best way that we can put them right in front of customers' faces. So that's content, really briefly. Now we'll move into citations. So the Google Map Pack here, how these businesses rank in the Google Map Pack is pretty much 100% citation. So what a citation is going to be the business name, the business, they don't really have the address right there, but the business address, and then the business phone number, right, as it is in the Google Map Pack section. So those three components are going to be one citation. And the more directories that you have your citations in, directories being like LinkedIn, BBB, Yellow Pages, CityStar, stuff like that, the more directories that you have citations in, the more you're going to be able to rank in the map pack section and hit this top 3 spot, if not like the top 5 spot. And this is obviously a great place for customers to find local businesses and feel confident that they're getting serviced by a business in their area. So I wanted to make sure I went over that. And we actually have this tool right here. So this is whitespark.ca. It's a paid online tool that you can use. I use it. And the great thing about this is that you can find the citations that you have, of course, but also your competition citations. So as you can see, I have you guys down here. You guys have 13 citations. Deer Park Roofing, as you can see, they are actually right here. Number 2 in the map pack section and number 1 in the organics. They have 43 citations, and HKC Roofing, let's go back, they are also right here in the organics. They're not, oh, and there they are. They're actually number 3 in the map pack section. They have 31 citations. So as you can see, pretty much stands for itself. One, the citations are the primary part of what ranks you in this Google Map Pack area. And 2, the more you rank in the Map Pack area because of your citations, you will also rank a lot higher in the organics. So it's a double whammy, kind of a two-bird situation. Excuse me. So I wanted to make sure that you could see that. And also with this tool, if you wanted to use it, you can click in here to your competition's citations. And you can see exactly where they're going to get their citations. And you can effectively get the exact same type citations that they have. So if they have 43 citations, you would do, let's say, 55 or 65. Definitely do a lot more. But use what they have. Plug in more of your competition into this site, and you'd be able to rank a lot higher than them in that map pack area. So lastly, we'll go over backlinks. And so this app right here, this is a online tool. It's called Ahrefs. I pay around $300 a month for my team and myself. And what you can do with this, quite a few things. You can do a lot of organic keyword research. But primarily, you can look into the backlinks of yourself and your competitors. So I have your site in here, Peak Pro Roofing, and as you can see, you guys have 21 referring domains, giving you 44 backlinks, but all resulting in around 0 organic traffic per month. Completely normal. And the DR and the UR, this is essentially your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness. So as your site grows and you get more keywords that rank higher and you get more dominant backlinks, your dominance on Google and your trustworthiness on Google will also go up, which is great. And so the great thing about this is that you can compare your site to other sites. So we have Deer Park Roofing right here, and I plug them into Ahrefs as well. As you can see, they're getting 5,200 organic traffic per month. They have 425 referring domains, giving them 5,700 backlinks, and we have HKC Roofing right here as well. They're getting around 800 organic traffic per month, around 400 or 250 referring domains, and that's resulting from 2,600 backlinks. So all of that being said, what the great thing about this tool is kind of the same methodology with Ahrefs is that you can go into their backlinks and you can see exactly where they're getting all their backlinks from. And obviously, it's going to be a little bit more of a time-consuming process. That's why companies like myself exist, so we can take that time off of your hands. But you could essentially come in here and take the exact same backlinks that your competition is using so you can rank higher. And they're getting obviously around like 5,000 clicks per month. And even like HKC Roofing right here, you could go into all their backlinks, find, okay, these are the referring domains that they're getting all their backlinks from. And that way you can tap into this traffic. And lastly, just because we're on this site, same thing with the keyword, organic keywords as well. So since you guys only have like one organic keyword, which is completely fine, you could go into HKC Roofing or what is this one? Deer Park Roofing, and you can go into their actual keywords and you can see, oh, this is what they're ranking for, and this is what I just need to plug into my site. If I only need 15 to 20 high-ranking keywords on my homepage with around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, you can go on here, do a little bit of research, and find out which ones you can plug in. So the volume right here is going to be the amount of clicks that, or the amount of searches on the internet per month that specific keyword or key phrase is getting per month. And KD stands for keyword difficulty. So essentially the competition behind that keyword. The lower KD with the higher volume is the ratio you want to look for. So roofing contractor Cincinnati would be a great one. 300 searches per month with an 8 KD, and they're ranking number 6 for it. So it would essentially be that methodology behind ranking your site a lot higher. I'm sorry that this video ran over a little bit longer than my videos usually do, but I just wanted to make sure that I could give you guys as much value as possible. Again, my name is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. If you found some value in this video and you would like some help from my team and myself, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Bye-bye.